Today, we will be going over how to install D2140 for your Dodge. To begin, you will want to remove the two factory nuts located at the top of the cab mounting brackets. These will be reinstalled later. Remove the parking brake cable, loosen the cable adjustment screw, remove the cable from the coupler, and remove the main cable from the parking brake. You can either reinstall the factory nuts from earlier first, or you may find it easier to begin with fishing the bolt and hardware through the frame first. Once the top part of the tie down is secure, you can reinstall the parking brake cable in the reverse order of how it was removed. Using the provided clamps, attach them between the inside of the frame and the back of the tie down by lining up the holes and putting the appropriate hardware together. Repeat the process on the other side and you are good to go.
This video is a guide for visual reference. Please always refer to our instructions when installing Torklift product, for they are updated regularly. For any questions, visit us at torklift.com or call us at 800-246-8132.